Merlin? Let's do it. Let's do it.
Hold on. Let me rearrange the bed of my truck to suit this. No, that's where we're going to set it on. Set it on its axis and slide it in. You only set it on no time.
Yeah. Get up here, man. Where's Ryan? Hunter will be just fine.
Oh, I would have taken a piece of paper. Look at this guy.
They run out of.
You don't want us dyslexic. So we'll go with it. Okay, so the first ski we're going to give away is Landon ski. The name of it is River Rat. Now, it runs really good. It had an exhaust leak, so he rode half the trip with no seat. And he put it on the trailer yesterday. I think he was a quitter, honestly.
He was tired.
Well, he got sunburned at Lake Powell before we came here, really bad. And it chafed him. Like, he did not want to get on that ski. So Jimmy lost a pump day one, so we robbed the pump out of it. So the pump that's in it is Jimmy's old pump, but it's seized up. So it's gonna need a pump and an exhaust leak fixed, but it's a really good ski. It has clear paperwork. It's registered in my name.
It actually rips.
It's
it
fast.
goes good.
It does, and it's a 40+ mile-an-hour ski. Arizona is a bill of sale only state. Only ski that has a title here is Paul's with the Oregon plate on it. Bill of sales are signed. If you need anything else, hit me up on Instagram. I'll get any paperwork you need to get it registered, however you want to do it. So this is for Landon ski. The blue one sitting on the trailer.
This way, if you get mad because it's not your name, you can be mad at Ryan. What's it say?
What's that?
Blue.
Bailey, something Bailey. Pale?
Pale?
Oh, no.
Pale?
Genuine?
Did I say it right? Pale? All right.
Yeah, thank you, sir.
All right.
Thank you.
Good job.
Good job.
Thank you, guys.
We were not expecting that, folks. We were not expecting that. That's funny.
Who's got my go?
Jace's ski.
All right,
So,
Jason's
Tyler.
following right over there.
Jace
the one that
made
boat ramp
He won.
slide.
He won the boat ramp slide.
He boat ramped the slide.
Jace's ski. I think it's flawless, isn't it?
It's good. We've got it dialed now.
Yep. Like we took it off the trailer this
Other than the
morning.
2-inch crack down the center of it.
Oh no, that it'll build, Joe.
I don't know. We'll ask him.
But we had
Hey,
a
blue hat. Come and see us after. You look familiar. Yo, you're not yet you.
So we had a hose leak on it. They put it on the trailer. Somebody was short a ski. I said, hey, let's take a look at this thing. Paul fixed it. And we put it back on the water at lunchtime, and it made it all the way down, did the Mississippi, and came back, obviously, clear up the ramp. So it's good. You sure? And now, on Jace's boat, the paper, I'm going to have to give you a bill of sale.
Nick Kelly.
Are you kidding?
Woo! Oh, we got the beard. I like it. Easy talk. Good job.
You got yourself
Hell
a ski.
yeah.
You're welcome. Thanks for showing up.
Right on.
It's a good ski. The thing
It
flies
is.
right up.
It had not many
It
troubles.
started out as not a good ski. The more we rode it, the faster it got.
I appreciate it.
All right, which one are you going with next?
I think we ought to do Hunter.
Hunters, yeah. Let's do Hunters.
Now that one did get splashed. He kind of egged it on.
no mice in that one, is
Well,
there?
no, he egged it on, and so everybody splashed.
Tell these people how your ski runs.
Piece of crap.
All I heard was you complain.
It sucked. You could pin it. I pinned it for 340 miles.
So he rode
used
with
a
no hair
hand.
tie on the throttle and zip tied it tight.
And it never stopped. Never quit.
Never let off.
But it's
The
a piece of
battery
junk.
is currently dead in it. You put a battery in it, she fires right up and runs good.
What'd you do with the battery?
He cranked it too long. When we
I
took off
gave
from
him
the
a
last.
GoPro battery and it died.
Yeah.
Paul's fault.
So.
I'm gonna draw yours.
All right.
Oh yeah.
All right.
Big or small? Don't know.
This one.
Right.
skier.
Logan Bailey.
You guys better have a big trailer. About sandbaggers.
Hey, will you buy me a lottery ticket today?
So they won Landon ski, right? Yep. They probably have enough to make one run. Landon's has a good battery. What was the name of Landon's?
Landon's was
Let's hear it. Or no, not Landon's.
Hunters.
What was the name of Jace's? Jace's was
All Shadow.
no, that was
Glendale Guppy.
Guppy, that's right. Glendale Guppy. So Hunters is Paul's shadow. So now we're moving on to Ben's ski. Lolly's favorite son.
Yep, Lolly's favorite son, Lance Brown.
Bound.
That's what I said, Bound.
Thank you.
Yeah.
And it's honestly probably the best ski out of the
It's a
bunch.
solid ski.
He took such good care of it. He tightened everything up.
He was the only one that treated it like it was his.
He never went in circles.
Yeah,
He didn't
wasn't-
run it 50 feet up the ramp.
He was so nice to it. Like you probably get like $100 for it on Marketplace. All right. So Jimmy,
Yes.
Sea-Doo Jim.
Yes.
What about your ski?
You know what? Needs the carbs rebuilt. It has too high a pop off. It doesn't idle.
Oh, don't listen to him.
You gotta floor
He's
it.
going to tell you every little
No, you
pop-
gotta floor it when you start it, otherwise it will not start. You gotta floor it, choke it, take 3 fingers. Once it starts and runs, it's boogies. And since it's got Landon's pump in it, the prop is under pitch, so it bangs the rev limiter the whole time you ride it, so you gotta back out of it. So if you repitch the prop and rebuild the carbs, it runs amazing otherwise.
So what he says is he's just send it. All right.
Sink it.
Doug Hudson.
All right.
Proud owner. Probably thinking, fuck Jimmy Ski.
Sea-Doo Jim. Yep.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so which one should we draw next? You want mine or you want Paul's?
Yours.
You want mine?
Yeah.
All right, so mine is coming zzz on the river. And there's nothing wrong with it. It's absolutely perfect. You heard it. Came
Man, that thing
far up
doesn't
the
use
ramp.
hardly any fuel either.
It's a fuel sipper.
It's got a giant
big
tank in it.
Well, we figured out it has an aftermarket tank,
Yeah.
which we never knew existed. So it's one of a kind.
Yeah.
That's why he was able to outrun all of us. Everybody else ran out of fuel first, and he'd giggle.
Anybody named Tyler here? Tyler Mitchell.
Oh,
Oh, there you go.
Merlin's race.
Tight ski. Dang.
Merlin's has a brand new motor in it.
That's got a motor that has, it had 3 hours, it had like 3 minutes on it when we left Havasu. It is literally brand new. Board, the whole deal. Crank, everything. It's kind of hard to get on plane. It bangs the rev limiter. If you spent a little time and found a really good 720 pump and put in it, that's a very fast ski.
Or you can just have someone push it from behind and get on plane, then you're good.
That does work. I did it for 2 days. All right. So,
Oh yeah, Pinky's next, huh?
yep.
Or Hello Kitty.
So this is for Hello Kitty. No, what do they call it?
Pink Dreams.
Pink Dreams. Pink Dreams, yep.
That's my ski. The ski is flawless. It has like 92 hours on the
Take it from
ski.
here. This is our last ski.
Take a small one.
Small one.
Small one.
And it's a,
Well, you guys
good
haven't
one.
paid me enough yet.
You're accepting bribes, huh?
We are now.
Information that would have been good 5 minutes
Actually, I did
ago.
grab a small one.
When we started, you should have been sick.
Alex DeMonbro.
No!
I think that was rigged. That was rigged. You got yourself a pink ski.
Going in my truck.
That does seem a little rigged, doesn't it?
Holy cow.
You got stickers. They're here, so come up and get them.
Hey, everybody, thank you for supporting these
Honestly,
guys.
we wish we had a ski to give every one of you. We appreciate you watching. We appreciate you more for showing up and coming out. And I know some of you are going home with an empty trailer. But dude, like seriously, thank you.